Welcome to the students of grade 8. I am your English teacher Gulmina. Hope you are all safe and sound in this catastrophic period. In this video, I'll be giving you a lesson about Unit 2, that is the strange voyage of Sinbad, on page number 14. As I have previously discussed all the essential elements of the story before you guys, but here again I want to discuss the various word classes of the words which are assigned in the title. Here I'm talking about figure of sorry. Here I'm talking about parts of speech. The is article, strange is adjective, white is a noun, of is preposition, Sindbad is a proper noun. The mean एक, strange mean अजीबो गरीब या फिर अजीबुल हैरत, वाइज मीन बहरी सफ़र, ऑफ मीन का, सिंबाद सिंबाद. The strange voyage of Sinbad. If I take it contextually, the meaning of the title would be Sinbad ka Ajibul Hairat Safar. Here I want to again giving you a glimpse of essential elements of the story. First of all, I want to tell you that what basically literature is. Literature is a written body of work. Literature is a news that stays in a news. There are four important elements in literature. Number one is story. Number two is a drama. Number three is a novel. Number four is a poetry. These are also elements and these are also genres of literature. In story, there are other elements and we have discussed it. Here I am just giving you glimpse of it. Story is a part of literature that tells us about the person of life. It may be fictional or non-fictional. Fictional, jhuta, and non-fictional, sacha. Elements of story: number one is a plot, number two is character, number three is a setting, number four is a theme. So, if we talk about setting of the story, if we talk about plot of the story, if we talk about character of the story, if we talk about theme of the story, we will find it in the strange voyage of Sinbad. First of all, setting of the story means that where the story sets in. It talks about places, dates, years, season, history, scenery, etc. Theme is the central idea of the story. Character is a every story needs character, and without character the story would be incomplete. And there are two types of character. Number one is a good character, number two is a bad character. Good character is known as antagonist, and bad character is known as protagonist. Now, plot. Plot is a story, sequential, a chain of events, major part chain of events. It discusses about events in the story. And elements of plot are known as introduction, development of story, rising action, climax, falling action, and then denouement. In introduction, it introduces the characters. In the development of story, the climax is rising up. In the climax, the emotions are on the peak. In falling action, the emotions go slow down. And in denouement, we came to know the result of the story, whether it is happy ending or sad ending. If it is happy ending, it would be happy ending, and if it would be sad ending, there are other two types of sad ending. One is tragedy. In tragedy, the character got died. The hero of the story get died. And in the if the character doesn't die, it means he is suffering in the story. And when a character suffers in the story, when a hero suffers in the story, that is known as hamartia. Hamartia and tragedy are the two types of sad ending. So it was all about the characters, elements of the story. Inshallah, we will discuss about the reading, pre-reading, and other figure of speeches on page number 14 in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.